today we will talk about another colligative property that is named as depression in freezing point. What's meant by depression? As you know very well, it means decrease. Depression means decrease. What is freezing point? In your previous classes, you have learned about it. What is freezing point? Freezing point is defined as a temperature or a point where the two states of a solvent or a liquid coexist. For example, the solid state and the liquid state. Solid and liquid state of a solvent or any liquid coexist. That is named as freezing point, a temperature where the solid state and liquid state coexist. That is named as freezing point, or you may also define it as in terms of vapor pressure. That is the temperature or a point at equilibrium state where the vapor pressure of the solid state of that liquid will become equal to the vapor pressure of its liquid state and they are in dynamic equilibrium, right? We have already learnt about in your previous class in 10+1 about equilibrium that is always dynamic in nature, right? So freezing point is actually when a liquid gets frozen, or when its solid state and liquid state coexist, or when the vapor pressure of the solid state becomes equal to vapor pressure of its liquid state, right? That is named as freezing point. Now we will learn about its colligative property. Means the depression in freezing point is a colligative property because it depends upon the number of moles of the solute dissolved. Now, for example, we are going to draw a graph between the temperature and vapor pressure, just like we have drawn it in elevation in boiling point and vapor pressure. So that is temperature in Kelvin scale, that is vapor pressure. Now we know very well for any liquid, for example, now we're talking about freezing, right? So it means we have to decrease the temperature so that it gets frozen. So with the decrease in temperature, we know very well the vapor pressure of any liquid will decrease here, right? With the increase in temperature, vapor pressure increases. But now we're talking about freezing now, so we have to decrease temperature. So with the decrease in temperature, the vapor pressure of any solvent, because first of all we talk about pure solvent, right? So that is basically about solvent. So that is its liquid state. So the vapor pressure of any pure solvent decreases, right? And a point reached where it gets or it starts frozen, right? So here also that point is named as actually its freezing point when it gets frozen. Now that is TF naught, means F means freezing, T means temperature, freezing temperature or freezing point of pure solvent, right? Now after that it converts into its solid state, but the vapor pressure goes on decrease, right? The vapor pressure goes on decrease because with the decrease in temperature, vapor pressure will goes on decrease, but now it is in its solid state. Now for solution, we know very well that is the vapor pressure of pure solvent. When we will add a non-volatile solute, the vapor pressure decreases. So that is about solution. Now when a non-volatile solute is added to solvent, its vapor pressure has been already decreased. Now with the decrease in temperature, its vapor pressure will more decrease and ultimately it will so decrease that it gets frozen. And at that point, that is named as its freezing point. That is F means freezing, T means temperature, means freezing temperature or freezing point of solution. That is for solution. That is the liquid state of solution. When a point reached where it gets frozen, then it will be converted into its solid state. But vapor pressure will goes on decrease with the decrease in temperature. And that equilibrium point where the vapor pressure of solid state becomes equal to the vapor pressure of its liquid state is named as freezing point, right? Now they are at this point, they are in equilibrium and they have a point where they coexist, right? So what is the depression in freezing point now? Depression in freezing point means change in freezing point will be equal to, we have seen here there is decrease in freezing point due to decrease in the vapor pressure. So delta TF will be equal to depression in freezing point means TF naught minus TF. What is TF naught? For pure solvent freezing point, and that is the freezing point of the solution due to addition of non-volatile solute. Now depression in freezing point is a colligative property because it is directly proportional to the molality of the solvent. Now what is molality? Delta TF. To remove the proportionality sign, we'll use here a constant that is named as cryoscopic constant. That is named as cryoscopic constant, right? So KFM. Now what is the formula of molality? We have already discussed in many times, that is WB divided by MB multiplied by WA. If in grams, multiply the whole equation with 1000, right? So that is a colligative property because it depends upon number of moles of the solute, not upon the nature of the solute. So that's why that is named as a colligative property, right? So that is only due to the lowering of vapor pressure. So that is named as depression in freezing point, right? So when we add a non-volatile solute, it will acquire some of the surface sides of the solvent, so due to which the vapor pressure of solution will decrease, and it will much decrease. The delta TF will be equal to TF naught minus TF. That is a colligative property. So that is named as depression in freezing point.